Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily delete Instagram posts in 2025. By following the few simple steps that I show you now, you'll be able to delete Instagram posts in 2025 very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes. By saying that, let's start the video. At first, go to your home screen and tap on the Instagram app icon and tap on your profile picture, which is located in the bottom right corner, and select the post that you want to delete. And after selecting the post, you will be able to see the three dot icon, which is located in the top right corner. Tap on that, and here this type of option will be pop out. You have to tap on delete option and tap on delete and tap on close. This is how you can delete Instagram post in 2025. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful, even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.